everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really exciting one. I always say that, but this one, for reals, you guys, I am so stoked about it. So we are going to be trying our own little eyebrow lamination at home. I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing this kind of do-it-yourself type of videos, and I am super excited to go ahead and jump on the trend. If you guys are new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle videos, and I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you can always come back and check my channel. Then I'll probably have a new video. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a like. It really helps out. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload, and also follow me on social media. And with that being said, let's go and do our eyebrows. So the kit that I got is this one by the Silk Sense. That's the brand. I got it off of Amazon for around $21. Again, I'll leave it down in the description box, the link, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it yourself if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it, so let's just kind of unbox it together. So from the research that I've done online and other videos that I've seen, you want to get a lash perming kit, because apparently that is the same thing they use when they do eyebrow lamination, so it should work the same. This is harder to open than you think. Come on. So this is what the kit comes with. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what it comes with. So it comes with the false lash glue, step number 1, step number 2, which is perm, fixation, step number 3, which is nutrition, and step number 4, which is cleanser. And then the little tools that comes in the side like this. Let's see what this is. This is the lift pads, which we're actually not going to be using because I am not going to be perming my lashes. That's something that I would never do. That's so scary to me. And then we are going to be using, I believe, this tool to kind of push our eyebrows upwards, like brush them up. So I think we're going to be able to use this. It comes with 3. So, all right, let's get started. I'm really nervous, but it's okay. Let's just get started. So this whole thing is really important to me because I am super self-conscious about my eyebrows. I feel like I always mention it when I do beauty tutorials and stuff like that. I don't like my eyebrows. I don't like how they naturally are. Don't like how I do them. It's just, I don't know, it's just hard. So I'm really hoping this is going to be like the answer to my prayers. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take step number 4, which is the cleansing part, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on a cotton pad to remove the makeup and like the residue that I have built up in my eyebrows. So go ahead and do that. Alright, you guys, so this is what my eyebrow looks like with no product. As you can see, it's not as full as this one. I am missing a lot of hair like around the front and kind of up here too. It just really bothers me. I don't like it, so I just wanted to show you guys what my eyebrow actually looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my other eyebrow, and then we're going to start the whole thing. Alright, so the first thing we're going to use is the lash false glue, and we are just going to go ahead and apply it onto our eyebrow. And what this is for is to make sure your eyebrows kind of stick up. So wish me luck. I'm also going to be using the little tool that they provided. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with this eyebrow. So all I'm gonna do is kind of stick my eyebrows upwards. Alright, and then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start kind of pushing it upwards like that. Much easier when I was looking at other girls doing it, to be honest. Alright, and then I'm going to use the little brush to just kind of brush them upwards. I will say, you guys, my eyebrows are like super freaking long. So, you see how long my eyebrows are? Oh my god. They won't even stick up really because they're so long. Do you see this? Okay, this is crazy. Okay, we're just gonna keep on going, I guess. I don't know. I'm kind of doing it in sections because I don't know. The worst thing is that I knew I was going to have to cut some of it, but I didn't think that I was going to have to cut so much. And now I'm like sort of afraid to cut all of that, but I guess. So I don't know, I feel like my hairs are not, they're kind of sticking up, but not as much as I've seen on other people's videos, because I think my eyebrows are just extremely long. Alright, you guys, so this eyebrow is basically done. That's as flat as it's gonna get, so we're just gonna start doing the other one. Alright, you guys, so we did encounter a few problems, and apparently I have a lot of eyebrow, and apparently they're very stubborn, and it was really hard for them to want to go completely up. They kept like curling, I don't know, but anyways, we are gonna go in with step number 1, which is the actual, come on, focus you, the perm. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a Q-tip. I have heard that smells really bad, so I'm not even going to try to smell it. So I'm just going to apply some and put it right on top of my eyebrow. I'm scared. Okay. So we're just going to put some all over our eyebrows. And do the same thing to the other one. I'm like low-key freaking out about this, and can't believe some people actually do it on their eyelashes. That is so horrible. I mean, it's not horrible, but imagine how scary that must be. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put a plastic film on top of that and just, I guess, says to wait 8 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do about 10 minutes just to be safe. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my timer and then we'll be back. Alright you guys, so we are back and I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing off. So this is what my brows look like. I'm gonna go ahead and dispose of this. Alright, next we are going to go in with step number 2, which is the fixation one. And that is what it looks like. And again, I'm just going to go ahead, focus, and take a Q-tip. These sort of have like a safeguard cap, which is great, but they're kind of hard to take off. So I just dipped it in and I'm going to go ahead and just apply it on top. And I always sort of coat upwards. Alright, so this is as good as it's gonna get. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put our little film, plastic film back on. And wait another 10 minutes. Alright you guys, we are back from the 10 minutes and I'm just gonna go ahead and gently take this off. Okay. So now it says that we have to use the third step, which is the nourishing step. And this is what the bottle looks like. I'm pretty sure this is going to be like an oil, like serum like. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it on a cotton pad and just, wait, should I? Yeah. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean my eyebrows sort of upwards. Just trying to like clean off the excess product, I guess. I don't know. Oh no, I'm wrong. Actually, this is to just put in some kind of nourishment into our eyebrows. So just putting that on, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow. And next up, now I'm going to do the first step that we did, which was cleanse. And we're going to go ahead and do that one more time. It is step number 4, just so you guys know. This is the same bottle I used first to take off all the makeup and the residue. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this one again on a cotton pad and kind of take off that excess product that might still be there, you know, from like the perm and everything we did. And again, every time I do this, I sort of go up. Alright you guys, so there goes my eyebrows. They're nice and clean. I'm just gonna go in with my spoolie and kind of brush them. I don't know why. Every time I see my eyebrows like that, I swear to God, it reminds me of Jack Frost. Okay, you guys, so this is kind of what I ended up with. I think I definitely gonna have to cut them off. They're very, very long, which this part really scares me. Really hard. Oh my God, okay. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and sort of cut the extra hair. You guys, this is really scary. I won't even lie. Alright you guys, so this is what my eyebrows look like. I am very impressed. I will say I think I cut a little bit in a weird angle here. This one came out super good, I think. But now I'm just gonna go and fill in my eyebrows just a little bit, just to kind of see how it's gonna look. I don't know, you guys. I definitely like the process. I think they look better like what I started with, but I'm just like really afraid to cut too much because like you guys saw, my eyebrows are actually super long, which I had no idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in, and then I'll come back and let you guys see the final result. Alright you guys, so I am back. I went ahead and filled them in just a tiny bit. I didn't go like all in. I will say that I actually really like them. At first my sister saw me and she was kind of like, okay, and later on she kind of got used to it and she was like, they actually look pretty good. And I think the same thing. I love the way that they're very like fluffy and they look very natural, and I don't know, it was much easier to fill them in than it usually is, so I really like that. This brow, I think it's my favorite one because this one I did cut a little bit more than I should have, but I mean, it was my first try, it was my first go at it, so it's totally okay. It will grow. So this is what they look like up close. If you can see, there's a lot of texture in my brows and they look really nice and fluffy. I think it kind of adds to the more natural element, and yeah, I really like them. Best part is I didn't have to use as much product as I usually do, and I think they turned out awesome, at least for me. I really like them. Good. So I definitely recommend it. Tell me down below what you guys prefer, my eyebrows before the lamination or after. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday with my next video.